Hey everybody, Steve here, back again with another lockpicking video. Now I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure this is a master lock. The little tag thing that usually has the name brand on it is missing. I don't know what happened to it, but I found this at my parents' house. No one was using it, there's no key, can't change the core or anything. But the reason why I'm pretty sure it's a master lock, and I'll show you why. Unfortunately, I don't have anything small enough to get in there to pick it, but what I do have is this here half diamond pick. It's the small half diamond, I believe. And I'm going to show you that you can bypass this little bastard right here by taking it like this, sticking it all the way in, push up on all the pins, and you're going to try to get into that spring up there. Unless I got this the wrong way. Maybe I got the wrong size diamond here. Oh, there it is. I had the wrong size diamond. This is the large half diamond. My bad. Same way, downward. Go in, down, and just jiggle it around. And there you go. Now, I'm fairly certain this is one of their older locks. It is a 30 millimeter. Yeah, you can see right there, 30 millimeter. And made in China. But, yeah, you can't replace the core or anything, so it's a cheap lock. So there's no, like little blocker disc type of things. Sometimes with padlocks, you can't do that with it because there's a little wafer with like a little hole in it for the actuator. But there's a piece of steel that blocks the spring that holds that. The locking dog, or locking paw, or whatever the hell you want to call it. Which goes into this little part right here. But since it's a cheap lock, they don't bother doing it because it'll just cost too much. So, don't trust these little pissant locks either. Like I said, I don't know if it's a master lock, but those are the ones that usually tend to open like that. Thanks again. Pardon me. Thanks again. Have a good day. Bye-bye.